Hiya and welcome to DesignBeau, Interior Design and Styling Masterclasses. Hi and welcome back. Thank you for coming back and joining me. I'm Janie Johnson, I'm an interior designer. I have been for 20 years and I've taken DesignBeau onto the YouTube platform where I create interior design and styling masterclasses for you guys at home to be able to join in, have fun and do your own creative journey. And I'm there to help every step of the way. If you like what you see today, guys, please give me a subscribe and a like and get your comments on there as well. Give me some feedback. The subscribes are so important. So please, if you do like what you see, please appreciate that subscribe. So this series on DesignBeau, I've been discussing interior design styles. And this week, we are doing a good one. It's Bohemian, also known as Boho. What is Bohemian interior design? Well, as we know, also known as boho, it actually was originated in the mid-19th century, originating in the central and eastern region of Bohemia, which is also known now as Czech Republic. Now, this style is an eclectic style. It is free-spirited. It's creative. Think Bohemian culture. Artistic, unconventional lifestyle, hence the free-spirited. And this eclectic approach is just great, and it's great for designers and it's great for you guys at home because it creates a cozy and warm, welcoming environment that is there, don't take itself too seriously. We can enjoy it. We can have lots of fun with it too. We can mix colours, create warmth through colour and textures. Greenery, anybody? Love it. So, when we talk about colour palettes for Bohemian design, we can think rich, earthy, vibrant. We can throw in lots of different textures. We can have strong patterns. You can go floral. You can go geometric. You can really have some fun and go to town with mixing and matching all different styles from all different ethnic styles as well. You can have plain and you can go crazy with pattern. It doesn't matter because this style doesn't stick to rules because it's free-spirited, and that's when we can have the most fun. Now for me, my favourite part of the style is the layering, because I love layering in my interior design styling, as you'll very well know. And this style, you can just do that. You can mix and match your fabrics, your textures, your wall finishes, and you just layer, creating beautiful layers to create depth and dynamics to your style. So don't be afraid to put things in front of each other. Not everything has to marry up. It doesn't all have to be straight lines and perfect and symmetry. Almost the messier the better, to really give a stunning and bespoke interior design piece. And when we're talking materials and textures, it's just an abundance of choice that we have. It's rugs, it's throws, it's macrams, it's pattern, it's silks, it's whatever you want it to be. You want some fur, do it. You want some jute in there, do it. It's fine, because it's all going to work together in the end, because that's the overall style we're trying to achieve. And boho just loves nature. It loves it, and that's why you'll see an abundance and variety of different plants, dried flowers. We can go faux, you can mix and match, create them beautiful layers, draping with your vines, draping with your string of pearls, ivories, you name it, you can use it and you can do it. And boho is a great style to be able to go out and do a little bit of thrifting and just picking items of furniture that you like, but from different eras, because that's what it's all about. It's about creativity and artistic impression. So if you like a certain style of chair, but worried it won't fit into your scheme, a That's even better, because that eclectic mix is what we're trying to achieve here. And we can get that cozy and relaxed feeling, which is what this boho style is all about. You can have your low furniture, you can have your wicker furniture, you can have floor seating, hence teepees, creating little nooks and crannies of vibrancy and warmth and comfort, just so you can relax. You know, we're not taking this style too seriously. It's really there to be enjoyed and lived in. And to add your own personal touch, you can use things you've collected over the years, little trinkets, pieces of artwork that you've collected, and bring it all together to make your space part of you. And again, just creating that individuality, which is really important. So this real beauty of a design style is so relaxed. It wants to make you as an individual explore your creativity, and you're creating something very specific to yourself. And it's not just about aesthetic and the way it looks, it's the way you're going to live in this space, what experience you're going to get in this space, how you use it, how it's there to work for you, to make you feel enriched and cozy and warm and excited. You know, interior design, we've got to be excited about it, right? Got to love your designs because you've got to live in them. So get creative, people, be free-spirited and just enjoy it. Now, I'm going to give you DesignBeau's top 5 tips in creating a boho style in your very own home. Number 1, find a space. Have you got a space in your home that is unused? It just sits away, you've got a bit of a corner, don't know what to do with it. You might use it for storage, you might just use it to collect dust, who knows? Collect dust. Anyway, back to it. Find that space, because this space is going to be well utilised. Number 2, go and find whatever's in your house that's colourful, what makes you happy. Do you have some nice warm colours, some throws, cushions? Do you have any macram around? Or you can make your own. Any wall hangers, piece of art that you like? Go find it. Step 3, find your favourite piece of furniture. Maybe it be a table, a freestanding pot, teepee. Find it and put it in that space. Step 3, rugs. I love rugs when doing boho design, because you can put them on the floor and layer them. They don't have to be perfect. The messier the better for me. Jute rugs, you know, fringe rugs, more fabric the better. Pattern, plain, woven, it doesn't matter. Tuft would work excellent as well. So lay them rugs and then place your favourite furniture on top. It doesn't have to be even, just get layering right now on the floor. Step 4, plants. Plants, 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 more plants. When you've got enough plants, go and get some more. And let's just really freshen up this ski. Let's add some life into it and vibrancy. Put them in different textured parts. They don't have to match. You know, this is a great combination. We can get that eclectic look, and it just works great when it's all just fused together. So go get some plants. 5, kick back and just get comfortable and just chill out. Be free, enjoy your space. Add more throws, cushions, get yourself a teepee. Can you imagine that in your own home, a little area just for you? Do some reading in there, some drawing, journaling, who knows, you can just do what you want. That is the absolute beauty of this design style. It's one of my favourites because I am a big lover of different items from different eras, and I love just to merge across different design styles. So this one's a good one and it's creative, so just enjoy it, guys. So what do you think? Do you think you're going to go away now and create your own boho style in your own living spaces? If you do, please drop me a note, please send me a picture. I'd love to see what you guys are getting up to. If you have any questions or queries where you want to know how to create this space further, something didn't quite make sense, let me know. Get on the design community board. I'm really trying to make this a creative space for all you design lovers out there. So that's it for me today. Thanks for joining me. I hope you find this tutorial inspirational, and I will look forward to seeing you again. See you soon. Bye.